Distracting physical environment. You also need to be aware of the conditions of your immediate physical environment. The things around you frequently serve as distractions that inhibit your top reading speed. Take a look at the biggest blunders readers make when selecting a location to read. Noisy environment. Psychological studies have proven that our minds cannot pay sharp attention to two things at once. For most people, even a little conversation behind them or the football game turned down to a low volume will be a distraction. Your mind won't be able to distinguish the sounds of its own reading. Visual distractions. Reading in a crowded place where there is plenty of activity, or even reading in front of the television, means that there is lots going on in your peripheral vision that can distract your eyes from staying glued to the page. Electronics. Electronic devices are definitely a distraction, no doubt about it. If you're trying to speed read with the television on, Facebook open on your laptop, and a text message on the go, you won't be able to get much reading done. How to fix this? Simply decrease the number of distractions in your environment. Speed reading requires that your attention be centered on your reading.